Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. So this is a version of the Maha mantra Hare Krishna that I like to share in this way, and it consists of 3 different parts. These parts are, some are traditional, some you will hear everywhere around the world, some are probably original to me, but this is a way that I like to share, and that's why I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So the way we're going to do it is I'm going to show you a 2-fingered version and then a 3-fingered version as we go. So I'm not going to keep the 3-fingered version to the end of this video, but I'm just going to show you 2 here, 3 there, and then we continue from part 1 to part 2 to part 3. And the reason we're doing that is because even as someone who does play 2-fingered or someone who does play 3-fingered, it's nice to know the 2-fingered versions just to thin out the sound and bring some more dynamic into your playing, because we are playing the same 4 chords for 20 minutes. So the least we can do is just bring a little bit more depth into the music. Part 1. We are playing as a 2-fingered version, this version of C major, and then this is our F major right there. So it's beautiful. We can use our fingers 1 and 3 and 1 and 4 to change between the C and the F. And again, fluid playing means before I lift my F, I already want to press down the G so that there's a continuous flow. And that is our part 1. It goes Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. All right, and we continue like that. Very easy flow. You can really, you don't need to attach too much to the melody that I'm singing, but you can, on the fly, come up with your own thing, just humming along C and F major. Now, moving to 3 fingers. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And now here our fingering is really important, because if we don't finger our first C major like this and then want to go to this F major inversion, we will have a problem. So we need to use these fingers. This is finger 1, 2, and 4, and then our F major is 1, 3, and 5. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And then we're moving on to part 2, which starts with an F. We're already there, but I'm going to start by showing you the 2-fingered version. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Now new chord. Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. All right, so again here we want to pay attention to our fingering, that when we move up from the C major to the G major, we use our index finger to do that, so that we can already press it before releasing the C, so that we can get a fluid playing. And then we go all the way to F major from there and back to C major. So in that transition from G to F, again, here you are actually moving all the playing notes. So that means finger positioning is important, and you want to press the keys down and slowly release at the same time, so that we get an even and smooth transition compared to, we don't want that. All right. 3-fingered version, part 2. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. And again, this finger positioning just works. Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Moving on to part 3. Moving on to part 3, two-fingered version. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And this is a beautiful moment to speed up the chant if you haven't yet. So 3 fingers, and we're bringing some ecstasy. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And then we can continue with going back to part 1 if we want, or part 2, or continue with part 3. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. At 3 fingers, Rama Rama, and flow. Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So I went back to part 3 right there. So you can flow freely between the parts and use whatever melody and chords flow through you naturally. C, F, G, C, I mean, that stuff just works. In music theory, we call these the steps 1, 4, and 5, which just are a very uplifting, positive, and homely combination of chords. So this is the 1, this is the home, this is the we are moving away from home. We have moved away from home, now we've conquered the world, leading back home, because home is always nice to be. Always so beautiful. I love that. Obviously, it's a very popular and ancient chant, so many people around the world know it. And it's also quite long, comparably to the other simple kirtans that we do a lot. This really gives us time to drop in, both as a leader, but also as a room full of people singing Hare Krishna, Hare Rama. So happy chanting. Namaste. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare 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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.